just a quick look at the moment. I want to go over the trades we've had this week so far, and then we're going to get into looking for some opportunities, see what's available. I'm just going to run from the bottom up. I've just got these marked up in green. We'll just have a quick look. Okay, you'll ask me, why did I close that prematurely, so to speak? What I tend to do is open a basket of trades, and I'm looking to close them either prior to either the London session opening or the US session opening, right? So if they're open in the Asian session, I'll try to close them into London, or if I open them into London, I'll try to close them before the New York session, right? So however far this has traveled, it's going to get closed. There's a reason for that, and I'll get to that. Pound dollar is still running at the moment, actually. This one I set a fairly wide stop, so we'll just keep that one going for now. The pound Kiwi, what we'll do is go to a 30-minute. It might be easier. Okay, as per what I've just explained, okay, this one was opened, closed here. This one was opened. Stop loss was pulled to break even, and I was hoping we'd get that. But as it was, it came back and took out my stop loss. This is the reason why I'll close a basket of trades. All right, then I opened another one, closed it here into one of the sessions. I went to bed, whatever the reason. Okay, so it rallied after that. That's fine. Euro dollar, this is the reason why I will close my basket of trades. All right, the main thing is big money algos are hunting liquidity, and we're seeing volatility in the markets, right? It'll be in a bullish trend, and all of a sudden it'll make a very aggressive reversal and take out stops. Right? I would rather stick to my plan and just keep taking money out of the markets. Okay, not huge profits, but consistent profits. Right? That traveled up. I closed it based on, see this indicator here, the little red dot? That was why. And I was heading into, I can't remember which one it was. Let's have a look. Forex sessions. Okay, this one was open at London. It was heading into New York. That's the white line. So I closed it into the New York session. And as it was, it turned around. Main thing is we are ahead. Euro Kiwi. Yeah, this was part of a basket of trade. This was opened in the Asian session, and I closed it into the London Open. You just don't know, guys. You don't know. Right? Opened Asia. Actually, it was opened back in here. That's the Asia. You just don't know, okay? So let's just say there's Asia. You open a trade, okay? Stop loss, open, stop loss. Your target's down here somewhere. You see that dot? Close it right there. Why? Okay, that's why. It's a very volatile market. So, what we're doing is trying to beat the volatility here. Euro Aussie. Yeah, there was 2 trades. So I opened this first one. We're getting a decent result, guys. Okay, we're coming out ahead every week. Okay, close that one there. I was looking for a pullback and didn't quite catch it, but it moved up, and then I ended up opening that one and then closing it here. Why? Indicators are telling us watch out for the pullback. So far this week, okay, we're up 1R. This is building accounts, guys. This is passive income, and I invite you to jump on board, take the opportunity, and go for the trade copy. Passive income. Okay, you can copy my trades automatically. It's all there on my website. Try it for 14 days. Click WAP and then go back to WAP to access all the resources. Okay, you click on everything in WAP. Okay, you want to gain access to the Telegram channels, you have to click it in WAP. Everything's in WAP. So quite a few people join and they don't go back to WAP to access the resources. Okay, so the trades that I take go into this channel here. So this is in real time, and if you want to trade manually, then you've got the option to manually, manage your trades. But the easiest thing to do, guys, is just jump on the trade copy. Right, the link's in here as well. Okay, I'll wind this up because I want to get into VIP mentorship and look for some opportunities.